Struggling with high cholesterol? You're not alone. Millions of people deal with it daily, and while medications can help, small changes in your diet can make a huge impact. One of the easiest ways to support your heart is by choosing the right drinks. In this video, we're counting down 7 natural drinks that may help lower your cholesterol. And the best part? They're delicious, affordable, and easy to add to your routine. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic, green tea. This soothing drink is rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that's been shown to help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol. Catechins work by reducing the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines and improving how your body processes fat. In a review of multiple studies, drinking green tea daily was linked to modest but consistent reductions in total and LDL cholesterol. Plus, green tea supports your metabolism, can reduce inflammation, and may help with weight management, all important factors for heart health. For the best results, try drinking 2 to 3 cups per day and skip the sugar. You can enjoy it hot or cold with a splash of lemon or a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor and benefits. Next on our list at number 7 is tomato juice, a surprisingly powerful drink when it comes to supporting heart health. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a natural antioxidant that's been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve the flexibility of arteries. In one study, participants who drank unsalted tomato juice daily for 8 weeks saw significant reductions in both cholesterol and blood pressure. Lycopene works by reducing oxidative stress in the blood vessels, which helps prevent damage and plaque buildup. For best results, go for 100% pure tomato juice with no added salt or sugar. You can drink it straight or use it as a base for savory smoothies or heart-healthy soups. Next up is oat milk, a popular plant-based alternative that does more than just replace dairy. Oats are high in a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which helps bind to cholesterol in your digestive tract and flush it out of the body before it reaches your bloodstream. Research shows that consuming just 3 grams of beta-glucan per day, roughly the amount in 1 cup of oat milk, can help lower LDL cholesterol by 5 to 10%. That's a pretty big payoff for something that tastes great in coffee, smoothies, or even on its own. Choose unsweetened oat milk to avoid added sugars, and look for fortified versions that include calcium and vitamin D for even more health benefits. Number 5, pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice isn't just refreshing, it's also a potent cholesterol fighter. This bright red drink is full of polyphenols, especially punicalagins, which act as powerful antioxidants. These compounds help protect your arteries from damage and reduce the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a key step in the development of plaque. In one study, people who drank pomegranate juice daily for 1 year saw a significant reduction in their LDL levels and a slower progression of artery thickening. It may also help raise HDL levels, giving you more of the good cholesterol that helps clear out the bad. Stick to 100% pure pomegranate juice with no added sugar, and limit your intake to about 4 to 6 ounces a day to keep calories in check while still reaping the benefits. We're halfway through the list. If you've learned something new or found this video helpful so far, please give it a like, subscribe, and consider sharing it with someone who's looking for natural ways to lower their cholesterol. Now, let's jump back into the countdown. Number 4, lemon water. It doesn't get much simpler than lemon water. While it might not seem like a heavy hitter, this refreshing drink supports your liver, the organ responsible for regulating cholesterol production. The vitamin C and flavonoids in lemons act as antioxidants and may help lower triglycerides and improve blood vessel function. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning can also help with hydration, digestion, and metabolism. Important factors for maintaining a healthy weight and cholesterol balance. Plus, replacing sugary beverages with lemon water is an easy way to cut excess sugar from your diet. To make it, just squeeze half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm or cold water. You can add mint, cucumber, or ginger for extra health perks. Coming in at number 3 is hibiscus tea, a deep red tart herbal tea made from the petals of the hibiscus flower. This caffeine-free drink has been shown in several studies to lower both systolic blood pressure and LDL cholesterol. thanks to its rich content of anthocyanins and antioxidants. In one study, participants who drank hibiscus tea twice daily for a month experienced a noticeable drop in LDL cholesterol levels. It's also believed to help reduce triglycerides, making it a well-rounded drink for cardiovascular health. Enjoy hibiscus tea hot or cold, but avoid pre-made versions with added sugar. You can sweeten it naturally with a bit of honey or stevia if you prefer a milder taste. Number 2, soy milk. Soy milk is more than just a dairy alternative. It's a heart-smart choice. Soybeans are rich in isoflavones, plant compounds that have been shown to lower LDL cholesterol and improve lipid profiles. The FDA has even approved a health claim stating that 25 grams of soy protein per day may reduce the risk of heart disease. Replacing regular milk with unsweetened soy milk gives you a plant-based protein boost without saturated fat. Over time, this swap can help reduce cholesterol and improve overall heart health. Try it in smoothies, coffee, or cereal, or drink it on its own as a light, creamy snack. And finally, the number one drink to help lower cholesterol is a homemade smoothie packed with fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants. Using ingredients like berries, spinach, oats, almond milk, and especially ground flaxseed or chia seeds can give your body the tools it needs to clear cholesterol from your system. Flaxseed and chia are both rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that helps reduce inflammation and improve arterial health. Their soluble fiber content also helps sweep cholesterol out of your digestive system. Blend your favorite fruits and greens with a tablespoon of flax or chia, and you've got a drink that's not only delicious, but also actively working to improve your cholesterol profile. And there you have it, 8 natural drinks that can help lower your cholesterol and support long-term heart health. From teas rich in antioxidants to fiber-packed smoothies, small changes in what you sip each day can add up to real improvements over time. And here's why that matters. High cholesterol often has no symptoms. You can feel perfectly fine and still have arteries slowly clogging up over the years. Even talk show host David Letterman found that out the hard way. He underwent emergency heart surgery after doctors discovered major blockages in his arteries, despite not having obvious symptoms. His story is a powerful reminder that heart disease can affect anyone, even if you're active and feel healthy. Cholesterol is one of the most controllable risk factors, and what you eat and drink plays a huge role. The drinks we covered today are a simple way to start supporting your heart every day. Which one are you most excited to try, or already using in your routine? Let us know in the comments. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss more natural health tips. You can also check out our channel merch or leave a super thanks to support our content and help more people discover it. Stay heart healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next one.